Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to send one-time view pictures in a chat on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap a chat to open the conversation where you want to send the picture. Step 3. Tap the camera icon at the bottom of the screen to upload a photo from your gallery or take a new picture using your camera. Step 4. Once you have selected your photo and reached the editing screen, look for the icon that resembles a circle with the number 1 inside it. Tap on it, and it should turn fully blue. This indicates that the picture will be viewable only once. Step 5. Send the photo by tapping the send arrow icon. By following these simple steps, you can easily send one-time view pictures in a chat on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to share photos that can only be viewed once, adding an extra layer of privacy and security to your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.